I just thought it was the cutest thing and I loved it. And I wanted to recreate it. Ooh, I'm so proud of me. Hey guys, it is your girl Shamakin. What's up, Wagwan? And I'm back with another fun tutorial. And again, we're just gonna jump right into it because who has the time? Start off with my favorite brain fart primer. Whew. Start off with my favorite primer to protect your skin and to mattify all at the same time. I love it too much. Okay, we're gonna rub it in there real good. All right, and then we're gonna go ahead and do some correcting. I'm gonna jump to that and I'll be right back. And here we are. What we're gonna do now is add some of our translucent powder. You wanna knock off the excess because that is way too much. Can I just tell you, I usually use Maybelline Fit Me, but I saw this in the beauty supply store one day and I just decided to try it and I really love it. I still, when I get a chance, I'm gonna go back to the beauty supply store and maybe get it one shade darker, but I really like it. It's matte, which I love, of course, but I'm digging it. Spread. I'm really working on making this video a little bit shorter. That's better. So I went ahead and I did some inverted flames and I'm just tracing them over right now. Yeah, that's too strong. That's a nice one. Okay, I'll be back. It looks right. It looks right. Do you see it? Do you see it? Okay. Moving on. Okay, got it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and color this in so that it can take the next color that you're gonna put in there nice and strong and pigmented. So you're gonna start from here. Anyway, you're just gonna go ahead and fill this in best as you can. Best as you can. I'm gonna start from I'ma look. Oh man, go with things. Yeah. I'm just making this a little bit richer, a little bit fuller. You know. On both sides. Still working over here. Still working over here. Let's get it in my eye. I don't know how many of you do this. I know a lot of Caribbean women do this. I don't know how many American girls do this, but I don't use regular lash glue. I use like weft glue for my lashes because I just feel like they actually hold better, and I like the fact that it's already black. I know other glues dry clear, but I don't know, I don't like them. I feel like they don't do a very good job at holding. So there goes nothing. Lord. I feel like the lashes are always like the most critical part. I think I got it. Yeah, I got it. Ooh, chow. That was like surgery. Fun fact, I've never worn bottom lashes before. I'm not really very fond of them, but I'm just willing to give them a try right now, just for the sake of this look. I don't even know if I'm doing it right, but really do not like bottom lash. I'm done. What do you guys think? Do you like it? Because I love it. Let me show you something else. How do you think I did? I think I did pretty good. I'm so excited. Oh my god, I love it. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, especially that subscribe part. That's really important. Before I forget, I have to let you guys know I did not draw this. I'm not the artist. I didn't draw it, nor did I color it or come up with a design. I saw it on IG, and I'm gonna find out who the young lady is that did it. And I'm gonna, she has maybe like I'm sure she has YouTube, and I'll tag her. I'm also gonna tag her on Instagram, but I just thought it was the cutest thing and I loved it, and I wanted to recreate it. Ooh, I'm so proud of me.